Financial stress is among the top challenges that affect many college students. Yet, there are several side hustles that college students can use to alleviate their financial stress and provide themselves with valuable experience and skills during college. In this video, you will learn about 10 side hustles that can provide you with both extra income and personal growth while in college. 1. Freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities for college students to monetize their writing skills. On these platforms, you can find a wide range of freelance writing projects. These can include writing blog posts, creating website content, crafting social media posts, editing academic papers, and even ghostwriting books. Engaging in this variety of projects would not only allow you to earn some extra money, it will also allow you to explore different writing styles and topics and improve your writing skills. 2. Graphic design. If you are a student with a creative flair for graphic design, you can explore graphic design as a side hustle. Creating logos, social media graphics, and other visual content can be lucrative and contribute to your professional portfolio if you explore this as a side hustle. Typically, building a professional graphic design portfolio involves showcasing your best work and demonstrating your skills and creativity. You can start by selecting your strongest design projects, such as logos, illustrations, or branding materials, and organize them in a visually appealing and easily accessible format. Include a variety of styles and mediums to showcase your versatility. Thereafter, you can consider creating a personal website or online portfolio to display your work and provide potential clients with a comprehensive overview of your capabilities. 3. Tutoring. Tutoring, sharing of academic knowledge with peers or high school students, can be a rewarding side hustle. Whether it's in person or online tutoring, college students can leverage their expertise in specific subjects to earn extra income. There are several online platforms and resources that you can use to find tutoring opportunities. Some popular options include Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wyzant. These platforms connect tutors with students seeking help in various subjects and allow for flexible scheduling and convenient online sessions. Additionally, you can also reach out to local schools, community centers, or even create your own tutoring website to attract potential clients. 4. Rideshare driving. With the flexibility to set their own schedules, rideshare driving can be a convenient side hustle for college students. Services like Uber and Lyft offer opportunities to earn money while managing study commitments. Rideshare driving is an attractive side hustle for college students because with it you can earn money while setting your own work hours. They can work as much or as little as they want, and can choose to take on more shifts during busier times to accommodate their studies. For instance, you might choose to take on extra shifts during the weekends when you know you have fewer classes and less studying to do. 5. Personal training. If you are a fitness enthusiast, becoming a certified personal trainer can be both fulfilling and profitable. Offering training sessions to fellow students or creating fitness content on platforms like YouTube can generate income while promoting a healthy lifestyle. For examples, you can create fitness contents on YouTube on workout routines, exercise tutorials, nutrition tips, healthy recipe demonstrations, fitness challenges, and motivational videos. By creating engaging and informative content, you can attract a wide audience and monetize your YouTube channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 6. Social media management. With the prevalence of social media, college students can offer their skills in managing social accounts for small businesses or individuals. This side hustle not only can provide you with some income, but it can also enhance your marketing and communication abilities. You can find social media management jobs by reaching out to local businesses and offering them services, or networking with professionals in the marketing industry. Likewise, you can also join online freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, or even create your own website to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. 7. Virtual assistants. Providing administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant can be a flexible and lucrative side hustle for college students. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, and research. There are several platforms available for finding virtual assistant jobs. Websites like Indeed, Upwork, and Freelancer.com often have a wide range of virtual assistant positions posted by businesses and entrepreneurs seeking assistance. Additionally, joining online communities and forums dedicated to virtual assistants can provide networking opportunities and access to job listings. The average virtual assistant can make around $15 to $25 per hour, depending on their level of experience and the complexity of the tasks. This can translate to a monthly income of approximately $1,200 to $2,000, assuming a 40-hour workweek. 8. Flipping products. Flipping products can be a great way to make money online. It involves buying products at a low price, then selling them for a higher price to make a profit. You can resell the products on websites like eBay, OfferUp, Craigslist, or through online marketplaces. It would require that you keep an eye on deals and trends to identify products that can be flipped for profits. You may also focus on profitable niche products and resell them on your selected platforms. For example, you can flip niche products such as vintage clothing and accessories, rare collectibles like comic books or vinyl records, handmade crafts or artwork, and more. You can find these unique items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces, and resell them to interested buyers at a higher price, turning a profit in the process. 9. Photography. If you are passionate about photography, you can offer your services for events, portraits, or stock photography. Selling stock photography involves capturing high-quality images that can be licensed and used by individuals or organizations for various purposes such as websites, advertisements, and publications. You can build a portfolio of diverse and visually appealing photographs, focusing on popular subjects like landscapes, food, business, lifestyle, or technology. You can then submit your photos to stock photography websites, such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, where they will be available for purchase by potential buyers. With each sale, you can earn royalties as a passive income stream through your passion for photography. This side hustle will not only generate some income for you, but will also develop your creative and technical skills in photography whilst in college. 10. Content creation on YouTube. Whether it's educational videos, video blogs, or entertainment content, YouTube offers monetization opportunities for content creators via a number of ways. Among the most common methods is through ads. Depending on the number of viewers and engagements on your channel, you can earn a share of the revenue generated from YouTube ads. You can also earn money through YouTube's membership program, where your viewers can pay to gain access to exclusive content on your channel. Additionally, you can also make money through sponsored content and brand partnerships, through affiliate marketing and ambassadorial deals. Together, these 10 side hustles provide options for you to explore for extra income potential. Each of these options offers you the unique opportunity to earn extra income as well as improving your skill and personal growth in a selected side business while in college. By focusing and exploiting one of these side hustles, you can find a balance between academic pursuits and earning extra income, and set yourself up for success both during and after college. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe to your channel if you haven't done so. It will help us grow and give you a quick access to our next video. Thank you for watching.